Dear students, now we are in bridge course program, JEE bridge course. In the bridge course program, we are discussing the slope and equation of straight line, various forms we have discussed. In yesterday class, we have discussed the equation of straight line passing through origin and having slope m, and equation of straight line passing through a given point x1, y1, and having slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and the equation of straight line having slope m and having y-intercept as c is y equal to mx plus c. Now let us discuss today the equation of straight line in intercept form. Equation of straight line. Equation of straight line in intercept form. Equation of straight line in intercept form. What is intercept form? Let us going to discuss the equation of straight line in intercept form as like this. Put 0, 0 is origin, and this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Let capital A, small a comma 0 is a point on the x-axis, and capital B, 0 comma b is the point on the y-axis. Draw a line joining this a comma b. Now we should calculate the equation of line AB. That is nothing but equation of line in intercept form. Intercept means the value on x-axis. Here A is called x-intercepted here. The value of the point B is on y-axis, that is called as y-intercept. Now we can write slope of BA or slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to, according to formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Yesterday I said that rise by run concept. B minus 0 by 0 minus a. B minus 0 by 0 minus a. That is equal to, you can write this one as minus b by a. Slope we can indicate with the letter m is equal to minus b by a. According to equation of straight line having slope m and having intercept c, yesterday we said that y equal to mx plus c. So depends upon equation of line. Equation of line whose slope is m. Equation of line whose slope is m and y-intercept is b, whose slope is m and y-intercept equal to b is, yesterday the formula proof we said as y equal to mx plus c, here y equal to mx plus b. That implies you can write here y is equal to m means here minus b by a into x plus here b. Now you can do using this one, divide by b both sides. Divide by b both sides. That implies we can write y by b is equal to minus b into x by a into b plus b by b. Here b and b get cancelled, b and b get cancelled. You can write here y by b is equal to minus x by a plus 1. Whenever minus x by a taken this side, it becomes x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is called as equation of straight line in intercept form. This x by a plus y by b equal to 1 is called as equation of straight line in intercept form. Equation of straight line in intercept form. In previous class I said the only y-intercept as C. Now x-intercept, discussing here the point x-intercept also. X-intercept is A and y-intercept B. Here A is called, here A is equal to x-intercept you can write. Here A is equal to x-intercept and B is equal to y-intercept. A is equal to x-intercept and B is equal to y-intercept. So let us discuss about the equation of straight line intercept form. Already we have discussed. Let us discuss about types of slopes. I think yesterday I said flat slope, negative slope, positive slope, vertical slope, non-vertical slope we have discussed. If two lines are parallel, then what is the condition of slope? And if two lines are perpendicular, then what is the condition of slope? We can discuss. Now before going to discuss that one, equation of straight line parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis, let us discuss about the formulae. And from 3 days we are discussing that equation of straight line in various forms. Okay, let us going to discuss another form also, equation of straight line in 2-point form. Equation of straight line. Equation of straight line in 2-point form. This is called as 2-point form. Equation of straight line in 2-point form. Yesterday I said that equation of straight line passing through x1 comma y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. It is called as equation of straight line in 1-point form. Now I am going to discuss about equation of straight line in 2-point forms. Let us draw a line like this, extend like this. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Put here, it is a p x1 comma y1, and here you can put q x2 comma y2. P x1 comma y1 and q x2 comma y2 are 2 points on the line AB. This is origin. O0 comma 0, put here A and this is B. Now you can write equation of line. Equation of line AB having the slope we can write now. Equation of line AB having the slope m and passing through, having the slope m and passing through x1 comma y1, passing through the point x1 comma y1 is, yesterday I said the proof that y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 for single form. Whenever he given the slope as m, simply m equal to 2 or 3 or anything. Now the slope is equal to slope of AB, slope of line AB. If we indicate with the letter as m, it becomes, you can write as difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That implies you can write the equation as y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Whenever 2 points he given, the equation of straight line, equation of straight line in 2-point forms, this is called as 2-point form, is, take cross multiplication and you will be getting like this, y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to x minus x1 into y2 minus y1, or you can write as equation x minus x1 into y2 minus y1 minus of y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 equal to 0. Otherwise simply you can say, you can leave like this also. This is also the notation of equation of straight line passing through 2 points, or this is called as 2-point form of the equation of straight line. Now let us going to discuss about the slope concept and equation of line parallel and perpendicular to the axis. Roman number 1 concept completed. Let us discuss about Roman number 2 concept. These are all the basic concepts. Let us draw the axis like this. Put here this is 0 and take here 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. We can extend this one. -1 right here, -1, -2, -3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Here -1, -2, -3, -4 like that. This is x-axis. This is called as a positive or right side of origin. Positive or right side of origin. This is negative x-axis. X dash is called as negative x-axis or left side of origin. Left side of origin. This is called above y-axis. That is positive y-axis. Or above of origin. This notation is, this is y dash. This is called as negative y-axis. Or this is called as below of origin. Below of origin. This is the notation. If we notate here, let us example, you take a point here, let the point P4, 2. Let the point be 4, 2. Here P is equal, that means P is the point 4 units distance from origin on x-axis, and this is 2 units distance from origin on y-axis. Like that. So 4, 2 here P is equal to 4, 2. 4 is called as x coordinate. 4 is called as x coordinate or abscissa. That special name is there, that abscissa. Abscissa. And 2 is called as y coordinate. Y coordinate, or that separate special name is there, that simply ordinate. Ordinate means second coordinate and abscissa means first coordinate. If x1, y1 given, x1 is abscissa and y1 is ordinate. If x2, y2 is given, then x2 is abscissa and y2 is ordinate. If 3, 4 is given, 3 is abscissa and 4 is ordinate. Like that. Now, let us going to discuss about the equations of straight line. Put here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3, -4. Mention like this. Draw a line passing through 4. You can put here 0, 4 because it is on y-axis. Now in the similar way, draw a line like this. This you can indicate here 0, -2. So what, this is what? X-axis. This is X dash. This is the parallel line of X-axis. So what is here indicating? There is no X term here because it is on Y-axis. The line is passing through 0, 4 which is parallel to X-axis. So you can say here it is only Y is there, Y equal to 4 because it is above. So above. So this is below. Below means negative, above means positive. You can write below. So below of X-axis you can write. Here above of X-axis. You can indicate here this is Y is equal to -2. Above means a plus symbol you should put and below means minus symbol you should put. There is no question of above or below. Here you can understand that the equation of a line parallel to X-axis is Y is equal to K. Here Y equal to 4 we got, Y equal to -2 we got. Don't bother about the symbol, whether it is plus or minus, above or below. If you mention above, you put plus symbol. If you mention below, you put minus symbol. So you write here the formula, equation of straight line parallel to. You write the formula, equation of straight line. Equation of straight line parallel to X-axis, simply you write. Parallel to X-axis is put Y is equal to K. That's all. In the similar way, we can draw another diagram and we can discuss another one also. Once again I am drawing like this. Put the names. This is X, this is X dash. This is Y, this is Y dash. Put here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Mention here -1, -2, -3 like that. This is -1, -2, -3, -4 like that. This is positive 1, 2, 3 enough. Now mention the line like this. Here you can indicate 3, 0. Here you can indicate -1, 0 because it is on X-axis. Whenever the point we are indicating on X-axis, it is the Y coordinate of the point is 0 because the equation of X-axis is Y equal to 0. Now you can write -1 is only here X is there. X is mentioned. So X is equal to -1. This is the left side of the Y-axis. Here you can write X is equal to 3. This is right side of right side of Y-axis. Right side of Y-axis. Here left side of this you can write left side of Y-axis. So now you write whether the line is left side or right side. Don't bother about the side is and the symbol is whether it is negative or positive. You can understand that the line which is parallel to Y-axis is X equal to K. Now you write equation of line. Equation of line parallel to. Equation of line parallel to Y-axis. Equation of line parallel to Y-axis is X is equal to K you can write. Equation of line parallel to Y-axis X equal to K. This is called as vertical line. This is called as vertical line. Here the equation of straight line parallel to X-axis, this is called as horizontal line. This is called as horizontal line. Whenever X is equal to K, it is vertical line, and whenever Y is equal to K, it is horizontal line. Now, next point we can discuss as equation of simply x-axis is, don't forget students, it is y equal to 0 because x means this is only, y will not be, never you can get on y coefficient on x-axis. Next one, equation of y-axis. Equation of y-axis is, you never get the x value, so it is x is equal to 0. Whenever equation of x-axis is, we had written y equal to 0, and equation of y-axis we had written x is equal to 0, and equation of straight line parallel to y-axis is x equal to k, and equation of straight line parallel to x-axis y is equal to k. In that manner, we have completed the equation of straight line x-axis and parallel to x-axis and y-axis and parallel to y-axis also. Let us going to discuss about the theory. Roman number 3 you can put. Regarding slopes we can discuss now. Let us draw the diagram like this. And mention a line like this. You mention a line like this, another line. Put here, this is theta 1. Put here, this is theta 2. Students, this is L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0. This is L3 equal to 0. Let us remember the formula. Remember the definition, transversal line. The definition of a transversal line. If a line intersects between two distinct points, if a line intersects between two distinct points of two parallel lines, the line is called as transversal line. The line is called as a transversal line. Transversal line. Mentioning like this. These are parallel lines. A line, let this is L1 equal to 0 and this is L2 equal to 0. This is L3 equal to 0. Here the point P and Q. In the transversal line there will be 8 angles like this. I think you know the concept, you have learned very well in 8th class itself. If above of the line, here it is alpha, here it is beta. Here angle alpha comma angle beta are called as corresponding angles. Angle alpha and angle beta are called as corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Angle alpha is equal to angle beta. That is the rule, formula. Corresponding angles are equal in the concept of transversal line. If a line intersects the two parallel lines in two distinct points, such line is called as transversal line. Among the transversal line, above the line and above the line, if two angles are there, the two angles said to be corresponding angles. The corresponding angles are equal. It is the theory. Okay, now I am going to discuss with you that here during this diagram, depends upon this diagram, I want to discuss a matter that if two lines are parallel, if two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. That's all. Now, L3 equal to 0. Now, proof I am saying now. L3 equal to 0 is a transversal line. L3 equal to 0 is a transversal line. Transversal line of parallel lines. Transversal line of parallel lines L1 equal to 0, comma L2 equal to 0. So, we know that just we have learnt the corresponding angles are equal. Now, whenever theta 1 and theta 2 angles are there, you can mention here it is a P and it is a Q. We know that we can write here. We know that angle L3PL1 equal to theta 1, comma L3QL2 equal to theta 2 are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So above of the line, that is, they are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. That implies you can write here theta 1 is equal to theta 2. Theta 1 is equal to theta 2. Now you can write apply tan both sides. That implies tan theta 1 is equal to tan theta 2. We know that here, since I am writing, we have mentioned tan theta as m. That implies we can write tan theta 1 is equal to m1 and tan theta 2 is equal to m2. Therefore, if two lines are parallel, m1 m2 means slopes. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. This is the IMP concept. Two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. That is m1 equal to m2 here. Here m1 equal to m2 means if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. If the slopes are equal, then the two lines have to be parallel. Now, today last concept, let us going to discuss about perpendicular lines. Before going to discuss the perpendicular lines, we should discuss about trigonometric formula. Roman number 4 today. Let us discuss formulae. Tan of A minus B. Let us remember the formula. Tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Next formula, tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B, this one. This is tan and separate B, this is tan and separate A. Now, the formula I want to discuss you that if two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. Two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes product of their slopes equal to -1. That implies I want to prove here m1, m2 is equal to -1. Whenever m1, m2 equal to -1, the two lines are said to be perpendicular, and whenever two lines are perpendicular, then m1, m2 equal to -1. Mention like this. Of course, these are axes. Put here x and y axis. Don't think about axis. Axis is different from the lines. Draw like this two perpendicular lines. These are perpendicular lines. So mention here this is the angle θ1. So put P here. This is L1 equal to 0. And this is L2 equal to 0. Mention here θ2. Now, full angle is θ2 and this angle is θ1. Now you can write therefore, write like this. XPL1 is equal to this one, θ1. XPL1 equal to θ1, comma, XPL2 is equal to θ2. Angle L1P L2, middle angle L1P L2 equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, you can write here full angle θ2 minus θ1 is equal to 90, you can mention. Take modulus, you can write modulus of θ1 minus θ2 is equal to 90 degrees. Now, here apply tan both sides you can write. Applying tan both sides. That implies tan of modulus of θ1 minus θ2, directly we can write, no problem, don't get confused, is equal to tan 90 degrees. That implies you can write here the formula, according to formula I had written tan of A minus B here, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So tan θ1 minus tan θ2 by 1 plus tan θ1 into tan θ2 is equal to tan 90 value infinity. Students, we are mentioning the letter tan theta with m. So whenever tan θ1 is there, we can mention it is m1 and this is m2 by, you can write here this is 1 plus m1 into m2. That is equal to, infinity can be written as 1 by 0, take cross multiplication, it becomes 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 0, take it like this. Therefore, you can write now m1 m2 equal to -1. Hence, you can say that if two lines are perpendicular, hence, if you write IFF means this side to that side and that side to this side. IFF means like this to that, that to this. If two lines are perpendicular, this is the symbol of perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is equal to -1. Product of their slopes. Two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes equal to -1. This is the concept and important also. In today's class we have discussed, depends upon the slope sums and equations of straight lines. Okay, let us discuss next topic in next class. Okay, students.